and welcome back. Yesterday, I got to cross something off of my personal sports bucket list. I was down in Shakopee for Hockey Day, Minnesota. The Hibbing Chisholm Blue Jackets representing all of northeastern Minnesota when they took the ice bright and early at 8:30 a.m. Here's some sights and sounds from a great day of outdoor hockey.